Oh yeah, headed to Grand Mesa, breaking camp. We're headed out of Buena Vista, headed towards Grand Mesa. The goal is Land's End Observatory. That'll be the next camp. We got a MotoGiant up front. Gary's Backroad Adventure there in the middle, or as we like to call him, High Vis Gary, and SpazTech right in front of me. Oh, Colorado. San Isabel National Forest. Oh yeah. Look at these mountains. Last time we come through here, it was raining like crazy. Wow, just beautiful. Colorado. Headed into Aspen, over Independence Pass. Well, we're going to Aspen. I think MotoGiant's up there. I'm pretty sure he joined that motorcycle gangway up there. I don't know, he lost us. And we got Gary's Backroad Adventure back there, behind that SUV, if you can see it in my mirror. Wow, we're headed towards Grand Mesa, Colorado. And we're in between Grand Junction and Carbondale, Colorado. Look at this. This is cool. Big old coal mine out here. There's a pile of coal. Wow, this looks like quite the operation. Another coal mine. Wow, look at that old shack way up there. That house, look at that house way up there on that cliff, just built in. Uh-oh, looks like there's a fire out there. That's not good. That might change our plans. Grand Mesa Scenic Byway. This is cool up here. Look at all the aspen trees. Boy, these might be some of the tallest aspen trees I've ever seen. Surprised there isn't a bunch of them all laying over. Usually aspens get blown over in the wind pretty easy. And here we are, the Grand Mesa National Forest. I'd think with a name like Grand Mesa, it'd be in Arizona or something. There is snow on the side of the road. It's July 26th or 27th, and there's literally snow on the side of the road up here. Over this way? Look at this. I missed a turn, I guess. Oh. I guess I missed a turn. Hey, I got a John Adams $1 coin. If you'll go head under in that lake over there. What? If you'll go all the way under in that lake out there.
Not cold, is it?
I bet it's cold. There's just lake after lake up here. And another lake this way, Island Lake. Foot puddle. I think that's bear poop. Wow. Grand Mesa.
The Grand Mesa is the largest flat-top mountain in the world. Also within the Grand Mesa National Forest, there are 300 lakes and reservoirs. Now, if you decide to take this journey yourself, don't be fooled by this asphalt road, because it's in much worse condition than any of the dirt.
Well, this is a view. Hello, Colorado. Rolling into our camp spot. It says we're 3.5 miles away. Look at that cliff over there. Now we know why they call it Grand Mesa. Warmed up at 65 degrees up here. That's a little better. Well, hopefully nobody's in our top secret camp spot. Fingers crossed. I think Spaz is getting the shot. Look at this. That's incredible. Oh, we're taking that dirt. There's a waterfall. We're taking that dirt road to town for damn sure. ADV Colorado. Look at this. Holy cow.
Now, I want to thank you guys for watching, liking, and subscribing to the Adventure Glide channel, and hitting that notification bell so you don't miss when we take that dirt road right off the side of the Grand Mesa, head into town in search of free showers and drinking supplies for the live stream.